Welcome. In this video, you're about to learn some interesting things you may have never heard of before. So grab some tea, buckle up, and let's have a go. Want to visit Mawsyn Ram, India? You'd better take an umbrella, maybe two. It's known as the wettest place on Earth. The village in the northeastern part of the country receives 468 inches of rain each year, on average. As the saying goes, no news is good news. On April 18, 1930, the BBC reported that there was no news to broadcast, so instead, they played recorded piano music for the entire segment. How about that? When helium is cooled to almost absolute zero, the lowest temperature possible, it becomes a miraculous anti-gravity liquid. It will quite literally flow against gravity and travel up and over the lip of a glass container. The city of Damascus in Syria, not Jerusalem, Athens, or Rome, is the oldest and continuously inhabited city in the world, since around 8000 BC. Tsutomu Yamaguchi was in Hiroshima, Japan, when the first atomic bomb was dropped. Coincidentally, he traveled to his home in Nagasaki the day before the second bomb was dropped. Miraculously, he survived both and lived to the age of 93. You'd better get your sleep. It's been confirmed that many of history's greatest disasters, including Chernobyl, 3 Mile Island, the Challenger explosion in 1986, and the Exxon Valdez oil spill, were most likely caused by, yes, lack of sleep.
Mahatma Gandhi. The famous leader of India's non-violent independence movement was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize 5 times but never won it, a decision often viewed as one of the Nobel Committee's greatest oversights. Would you believe there are over 7,000 varieties of apples? From tart Granny Smiths to sweet Fuji's, apples come in a vast array of flavors and textures, suitable for everything from snacking, baking, or even bobbing. How's this for galactic population? Our Milky Way galaxy is just one of an estimated 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each potentially containing billions of stars. Would you believe that Bitcoin was invented by an unknown person or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto? The true identity still remains a mystery to this day. The small intestine is surprisingly long. Despite its name, the small intestine is about 20 feet long if stretched out. It plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption. I hope you're ready for this one. Kopi Luwak, or civet coffee, is made using beans that have been eaten and excreted by civet cats. The unique fermentation process in the digestive tract of the civet is said to enhance the flavor, making it highly sought after and extremely pricey. I've personally never tried it and don't think I ever will.
Because a rooster's crow can reach 140 decibels, they have acquired built-in earplugs. Researchers explain that as it tilts its head up to crow, their external auditory canals close, preventing loud sound from coming in and doing damage. Which begs the question, who cock-a-doodle knew? The very first pizza was made in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. It was simple then: tomato, mozzarella, and basil, each representing the colors of the Italian flag. The tradition of blowing out birthday candles dates back to ancient Greece. The Greeks back then were polytheists and believed that blowing out birthday candles would send their wishes to the gods. You think a hurricane is scary? Imagine hurricane winds up to 2,000 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. That is a normal occurrence on Neptune, the furthest planet in our solar system. It also ranks as the coldest planet. A United States park ranger named Roy Cleveland Sullivan, who worked at the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia between 1942 and 1977, was struck by lightning 7 different times. Miraculously, he survived them all and lived to the age of 71. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 407 kilometers per hour or 253 miles per hour. In 1996, a tropical storm off the Australian coast produced 5 extreme 3-second wind gusts, the peak of which was a 253 mile per hour gust. Did you fancy that? I know that we liked putting it together for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.